Hi there, I am Bela. Nice to meet you. Do you know what vitamins are in plum? Look, let's give the details about plum. Let's get started. Number 1, vitamin C. Plums are a good source of vitamin C, which is important for immune system function, skin health, and iron absorption. Number 2, vitamin K. Plums contain vitamin K, which plays a role in blood clotting and bone health. Number 3, vitamin A. Plums also contain vitamin A, which is important for vision health, immune system function, and the health of the skin and mucous membranes. Number 4, vitamin B6. Plums are a source of vitamin B6, which is important for brain function, the production of red blood cells, and the metabolism of protein. Number 5, thiamine, vitamin B1. Plums also contain thiamine, which is important for energy metabolism and the proper functioning of the nervous system. Number 6, riboflavin, vitamin B2. Plums are a source of riboflavin, which is important for energy metabolism and maintaining healthy skin, eyes, and nervous system. Number 7, niacin, vitamin B3. Plums contain niacin, which is important for energy metabolism and the maintenance of healthy skin, nerves, and digestive system. Are you wait for next video? Do you subscribe channel for notification for next video? Do not forget it. Thanks for watching.